so we're ready now to start the test. To do that, I've got the screen on the code, but I'm going to have to go off screen up above to click the Run button. And there it is. Now we're going to run the first test in our test plan, which is for Pluto. And there's a yes for the car seat, a yes for leather seats, yes for yes for retractable car seat, and a no for convertible. And we get out the message that we're supposed to get, which is you're receiving a special package, because we chose all of the leather seats, custom speakers, built-in retractable car seat, etc., and the sunroof. But the problem is it didn't tell us what the price of the car was or is. So we do have a problem right off at the start. It should have come out and told us that the car was $21,799.96. So we're going to bring this down and go back to the code. Now I know it's in, or at least the place to start looking is down here where the output should have occurred in Show Results. And indeed, there's the output for the special package price, but there's no output for the actual price of the car. Now, that seems like a logic error that we just didn't put in the output statement. We go back to the Word document, and we take a look at Show Results here. There's the output message. We said we're going to do it in the logic, but we didn't put it into the physical code. So it's just an oversight. We left it out. So what we're going to do is to go back in here and put it in. So this is the message right here. This is what is outputting the price of the car. So I'm going to copy that and paste it in and line up the output statement, the label out.caption, where it starts with the other one. And so now we should be ready for another test. Hopefully that's going to output our message. And yes, they're all yeses except for the convertible. And now we get the same message we had before. That's good, that we're getting the special package price. And we're also getting the message that the total price for the Pluto, including any extras that you want, is $21,799.96, which is the right answer. So good so far. Now we'll run the second test, which is for an asteroid. And yes on the sunroof. Then we got 3 no's. And yes on the convertible. This is the one that should come out. Yes, with the convertibles do not come with a sunroof message. So that worked. Very good. We're on to the third test plan test, which is Pulsar. And we have yes for sunroof, no for the next one, and then 2 yeses, and a no for convertible. And we should have gotten a message saying how much it would cost. We didn't choose a convertible, so we have another mistake here. It's saying that convertibles do not come with a sunroof. Now, the clue here is that we just had a test for that, so it may be that for some reason this test up here is still affecting the next test. And that's usually due to stale information, variables that have stale data in them that would have been left over from this test. So let's bring this down and go look. Now, the reason you get that message is if message code is equal to 1. And therefore, it was equal to 1 the first time, and it came out right. The second time it came in, it was also equal to 1. Well, we can confirm that. Let's make sure. What we're going to do is put in a breakpoint. So you come over to the bar to the left of the code where you want the program to stop. And you click, you left click and put a breakpoint on this way. Then when we execute this again, and I'm only going to do the last two tests, which were asteroid and yes for the sunroof, and 3 no's, and then a yes for convertible, and then it stops right here at the breakpoint. Now if I put the mouse onto the one of the variables, in this case message code, I can see what's in there. It says that message code is 1, which it should be in this case. So now we're going to get it, we want it to run through here and produce the message and then get on to the next test. So I'm going to go up and just click the start button again, and there's that message. Now I can run it again for the next test, which shouldn't come out with that message, but which does. And so we're going to do pulsar, yes, no, yes, yes, no. And now we're at the breakpoint again. I'll put the mouse onto the variable and I get message code is equal to 1 again.